Hi there, Carmen here. I'm back at the studio at Aligned Pilates, and for you today we're going to take a look at the roll back exercise here on the Cadillac. Okay, let's get started. So the roll back, using the roll back bar with the roll back springs, are probably your lightest springs around in the studio, and we have it hooked up to the top hooks. So that's where it's going to be. Now, with the setup, the feet are going to be against the bars, the poles of the Cadillac. The point being is you want to encourage the feet from the lower body reach into the poles. So that's one thing to take a look at in the setup. The other thing is you're going to hold your bar with your hands wrapped around with long wrists. Very similar to how we trained on the reformer for elephant and the long stretch series, having that nice long wrist. We're going to begin in the Pilates shape of a tall back, so we're going to find that tall back position, and then we work as we go back in through a round back. Now, my round back is something that I'm spending a lifetime working on. So it may look a little flat, but the point is I am using my abdominals to create the round back shape to my spine. And as I'm going through the process, I'm also using the spring to pull away from it, to condition my abdominals to do that work. But also, the spring is heavy, so it's teaching me to keep my arms on my back in that back connection. So I'm connecting to my back through the upper body, abs are engaging, and I'm connecting through the lower body into the Cadillac bars. Now, you may have noticed that I use a lot of more of a knee bend because I am working through some hip flexor gripping. So there's something to think about that. The other thing is, if you have someone who is needing that stretch and doesn't seem to grab up in here, play around with how you're set up. You can have straight legs, okay? And you're reaching through. Now, this is where I tend to pull away from the bar. So for me to get that body to kind of have a sensation or an awareness, I do prefer my knees in that bend to then work my center a little bit more, I suppose, aware, okay? Coming around and then back up into the tall back, like so. So there is the roll back, using the roll back bar on the Cadillac. If you have any questions about this exercise, please let me know. You can put your comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us out a lot. We'll see you in the next video.